Today we're showing you a John Deere 5203 tractor. It's a two-wheel drive tractor with a 512 front loader. Tractor has approximately 12 or 1300 hours on it. The current hour meter is showing around 290, but the hour meter has been replaced. The previous hour meter was believed to have right around 1,000, so we're estimating the hours around 12 to 1300. Has a John Deere quick attach up here for your bucket connection. Front grill guard. Paint on the tractor is in pretty nice shape. It's not perfect, but it is a nice tractor. Tires up front here, and then the back is obviously Ags. A little bit of a couple of dents here in the back fender, but nothing major. Rear remote back here. 3-point top link, everything's there. Another little ding here in the back fender. It's a very nice tractor. It certainly isn't a new tractor, but it is a nice tractor. Has the little bit of a crease there in the step. Gear transmission, you have 3 gears in reverse over here to the right. To the left here you have 3 ranges. PTO engagement also here to the left of the seat. And hours currently are 280.1, and again the previous meter was believed to have around 1,000. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations, so it is a pre-emission engine, 56 horsepower. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can offer shipping anywhere here within the U.S. Just text or message us or call us with your zip code and we can get you a rate on that. If you have any questions, please contact us either on our website or give us a call and we'll be happy to help.